Okay, lateral machine raise. Now as you can see, Ali's facing in the way on this machine. At your gym, you might have one that might look like you need to face forward, but for this demonstration, we're going to face in the way. Before he goes, you might not be able to see this, but what he's actually got his hand locked around the machine and he's pulling himself in. Now, rather than just mindlessly move his arm out to the side, his internal thought process is going to be to initiate with this medial delt here and not really think about necessarily raising the whole shoulder as it is, but imagine someone is literally pushing his arm into his body and he's fighting as he pushes out. So Ali, if you could come up for me. Back down. So we're not thinking about too much what's going on here. There might be slight elevation, but not too much. But as he comes out, you could see he's coming roughly to the arm. It's almost in line with the top, you say the bottom of his neck there. What you could do on this machine as well is you could do it with both hands together. Nice and simple, same coaching clues will still apply. We're not really too concerned about what's going on down here, but we're just going to get in a comfortable position, whether that's sort of close to the pad or further back. So there you have lateral machine raise.